Hey there, CreativeSarah here, and today I'm going to tell you all about our Perks membership program. This is a brand new program for us where you, our customers, get to join as a member for $20 a month in exchange for $20 in free product credit, and you're going to get 30% off of every single thing you order. Even our Chalk Couture subscription. Let me show you how. First, go ahead and go to my website, chalkcouture.com/CreativeSarah. Then you're going to click on the 30% off perks button at the top. That will get you to where you need to go. Now I'm going to have you click the select button. And finally, it's going to ask you to log in or create an account. If you're new, create an account. If not, go ahead and type in your email and password and click log in. Then, of course, we're going to select again, and here we go into the checkout. So you're going to go over here and make sure your shipping address and payment information are correct. Click yes, make me a Perks member, and then confirm. Once you've confirmed, you'll see that it's $20. There's no shipping, there's no tax, and you're a member. Woohoo! I'm going to go ahead and click on the Perks member account button really quick. I'm going to go ahead and show you around your dashboard. Look at this. You already have your $20 design dollars. That's your product credit. So you can use that at any time now, placing any order you would like. Remember, those design dollars last for only 30 days, so you want to use them before you lose them. You're also going to get this awesome coupon, which is good for a free toolkit in March when you have a $75 order. So that is awesome. There's a resource library with different things, and check out the top Perks member account you can look at, and all of these options, and of course the shopping menu over there on the left. When you click on that, you can go see a Perks pack in the kits section where you will get 30% off, of course, of everything. But this is an even deeper discounted price. I'm going to show you how your price shows up at the discounted rate. I'm going to go ahead and click on this March Perks pack for you. And it's a really cool pack with multiple transfer surfaces, chalk paste. You guys, you're even going to get the color of the month, a jar of our beautiful Bite Me Shimmery Red paste, which is going to go perfectly with our patriotic designs in our new upcoming Summerbrations launch next month. So that's it. This is a $160 kit, yours for only $59. So this is an awesome program. I'm glad that I was able to show you around. Of course, you can kind of look around yourself, go shopping. You even get 30% off of our Club Couture. Normally it's $21.99, but yours for $17.19 a month, and it's still delivered free. Guys, if you ever want to become a designer, just click on that little My Account at the top and scroll down to where it says Become a Designer. When you click on that, you're going to see everything. You're going to add your website name, your social security number, your date of birth, and of course, make sure I am the designer right there who will be your sponsor. Go ahead and fill out the check marks at the bottom, agreeing to the policies, and you're in. It's free. And of course, once you've done that, click save and then continue. Thank you so much for watching this awesome video. If you have questions, reach out to me. I'm happy to answer anytime.